And we're going to graph this function f of x equals 1/3 to the x by making a table of values. So I've set up a table here. And we're going to plug some numbers in for x and find their corresponding y coordinates. And then we will plot those ordered pairs in order to generate a graph of this function. Now for x, I'll go ahead and plug in a -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. Plugging a -2 in for x gives us 1/3 to the -2 power. That negative exponent by definition is going to flip that fraction over, so it would be 3/1, or just 3 to the +2 power. So that's the definition of the negative exponent. And so that comes out to 9. 1/3 to the -1 power. Again, that negative exponent is going to flip that over and be to the +1. So that's just 3. 1/3 to the 0 power. Anything to the 0 power is defined to be equal to 1, except for 0 to the 0 power, which is undefined. And then plugging a 1 in for x, we get 1/3 to the first power, or just 1/3. Plugging a 2 in for x, we have 1/3 squared, so that comes out to 1/9. And let's go ahead and plot these ordered pairs. So first I have this point -2, 9, -1, 3, 0, 1, 1, 1/3, 2, 1/9, so that's going to be even lower than the 1/3, but still not all the way down there on the x-axis. So as we go to connect these points with the curve, we see over here toward the right, our graph is going to continue to get closer and closer to the x-axis, but never quite touch it or cross it. We have a horizontal asymptote there at the x-axis.